How to use WhatsApp Business. Want to manage customers and orders more professionally? Let's set up WhatsApp Business step by step. So, first, go ahead and download WhatsApp Business from the App Store. Install and open it on your phone. Now, once you have installed the WhatsApp Business app, add your business phone number. So register with your business phone number, verify it via SMS or call. This number will be your official business number. Now, add your business name, logo, description, address, and hours. This builds trust with customers. Enable messaging tools, greeting messages for new customers, away messages when offline, and quick replies for fax. Use labels to organize chats. This helps track customer status and avoid missed follow ups. Upload products or services into the catalog. Customers can browse items and message you instantly. WhatsApp Business is perfect for freelancers and small shops. It helps you manage orders, automate replies, and showcase products all for free.